Hi there, gorgeous, and a very happy Frugal Friday to you. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I make videos like this every Friday, focusing on drugstore products, so please subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos in the future. I'm reviewing body luminizers for you today. This is a relatively new product to hit drugstores. I've not seen too many drugstore companies come out with them yet. I'm a little surprised at the timing, to be honest, because we're getting ready to head into the winter months. At least here in the US we are. And it seems like this would be a product meant for summer. Maybe they're trying to get us to glow in the winter. Not really sure. I wanted to review them for you today, show you the application with each of them, wear them for a full day, tell you how I feel about them. The first three are from Wet n Wild. They have these Mega Glow body luminizers in 3 different shades. They come in Gold Rush, Invested in Bronze, and Heart of Rose Gold. Really beautiful colors. Like I mentioned, I have not seen too many drugstore companies coming out with these. The only other company that I saw come out with one is Hard Candy, and they have something called Just Glow Body Luminizer. So let's test them out. First luminizer I'm trying out in this video is the Hard Candy Just Glow Body Luminizer. It says it gives you a head to toe glow. Now on the back, if you're not familiar with these, I know I'm not, so I'm going to read the back. It says it's a high shine body luminizer that drenches the skin with emollients. Sounds fancy. Luxurious formula glides on without streaking, creating a dewy sunlit glow that lasts for hours. It says pump a few drops onto your fingertip, palm of hand, sponge, or beauty blender. I think I'm going to use my hands for this application. I'm not going anywhere special today. I mean, we have to go to Sam's Club later. I'm going to be glowing all up in Sam's Club. Up close look at how it comes out of the pump. Like that. I'm not going to waste any. I'm going to apply this. So, I don't want to do this without getting it in my hair. All right, I'm going to... All right, looks like that. Maybe put it on my chest. Oh. Oh, are you seeing this? It looks like Sunless Tanner at first. I'm going to spread it around. Don't get it on the Z. Oh no, don't get it on the Z. Spread it, spread it, spread it. Yeah, it almost looks a little bit like Sunless Tanner. It gives you a little bit of color. This is, yeah, I was going to say, it's probably one of those products I'm going to have to spread around. I'm not going to be able to leave any part of my skin untouched because it's going to, you'll be able to see where I applied it and where I didn't. I still have quite a bit on my hand there, so I'm going to apply this on my arm. Why not? Let's do it. And the other arm, sure. Yeah, we got a match, right? It's blending in nicely. I'm trying to get it off of my hands. And the dilemma, now I have it all over my hands, but they're shiny. Sparkle hands, sparkle hands. I'm gonna wipe those off here real quick. I did not go all out and apply a ton of product. You saw how much I applied, a very small pump of it. And I mean, if I look at it, there are gold glitter specks on my chest. I'll move around here to see if I can get the light to capture some of them. And on my arm, I don't know if they'll hit the microphone here, but I don't know if you'll see them on my arm or not. Let's apply a heavier application. Let's just do it. Why not? Okay, I have one full pump on my arm there, and I am going to oh my goodness, blend it, blend it, blend it. This would be really pretty over Sunless Tanner, I feel like, but over my skin, I just don't know yet. Now here's the thing, it's been about 5 minutes since I applied it to my chest, and my chest still feels tacky to the touch. Like if I touch my chest, my hand sticks to it still, so it's not drying that well. And I'll be honest, I don't feel like the effect that you get after application is, as far as the smell goes with the Hard Candy Luminizer, no scent. It blended right in with nothing left behind, which is a really nice quality. I wish more cosmetics did that. Day 2 of testing out those body luminizers, and I'm going to try out the ones from Wet n Wild here. I'm gonna shake these from Wet n Wild here really quick. If you don't shake them, they settle like that. That's what they look like when you just leave them to sit alone by themselves. Nothing wrong with them or anything, but they do tell you to shake them really well. We'll first go through each of these shades. The first one here is Gold Rush, and that is a pure gold color. No mistaking that whatsoever. I'll pump it out in my hand here so you can see what it looks like. Ah, you would do that on camera, wouldn't you? There you go. Just smear it on the back of the hand here. Whoa, pretty. This is the one in the shade Heart of Rose Gold. The same thing we just did. Swap it, swipe it, swap it, swipe it on the back of the hand there. Very pretty. Has a scent to it. I don't like it. Almost smells like burnt plastic. That's what it smells like. It reminds me of something when I was a kid though. Some kind of toy that I had that got ruined or something like that. Boy, yeah. Oh, it's amazing how scents take you back to places. And last one here is in the shade Invested in Bronze. And we will swipe that on the back of the hand again so you can see the color. But I'm gonna do this for you. I'm going to test it out anyway, despite my not liking the scent at all. And I think I'll go with the gold one simply because it was the least offensive of all three. It's still pretty putrid, but it's not one that was too overpowering. And I'm going to apply this on my arm here and blend it in. It is pretty, I'll give it that. I mean, it is gorgeous. And I could see this being one of those great products to wear in the summer. Like I said, I don't know why they're coming out with this in the winter. Maybe they want us to sparkle in the snow. Really hoping this comes across on camera. It's very pretty and very subtle in person. Yeah, you can see my hand right there. I know that's going to come across. That's basically what my arm looks like, but a more subtle version of this. This is the day after testing those Wet n Wild luminizers, and I wanted to give you a breakdown of the pros and cons for each of these brands, beginning with Wet n Wild. On initial application, you do get a very intense burnt plastic smell is the only way I know how to describe it when you apply the product onto your skin. It does fade, meaning you will not smell it at the end of the day or during the day while you're wearing it. You may catch whiffs of it here and there, but it's not anywhere near as intense as when you first apply it. It dries down completely. It does not feel sticky on the skin whatsoever. And it does have a little bit of fallout associated with it. It transfers onto your clothing somewhat, but it's not terrible. For the most part, the glitter stays intact on your skin. With the Hard Candy Luminizer, there is no scent associated with it whatsoever, which is a great quality. When you apply it on the skin, it's a little sticky after application, and that stickiness will last for about 5 to 6 hours after the initial application. And this was me wearing it in the house and outside. Same kind of environment as with the Wet n Wild, so I really don't think that your environment will affect how it dries or how it wears. I think that's just the product and how it is. With saying that though, it does stay on the skin. It does not move whatsoever. And you wouldn't think that. You would think that a product that felt sticky after application would be transferring all over the place, but this didn't. It stayed put. Overall, when it comes to the whole body illuminizer product, do I feel like this is something you need? No. No. Will I be using them in the future? No. No. Girl, I barely have time to apply my eyeshadow most days. I do not have time for a body luminizer. That's just me. Makeup is subjective, to each her own. I personally don't feel like these luminizers are must-haves. They're nice if it's something that you enjoy, If you're pale like me, you may have trouble getting these to show up, and really you're going to be the only one who knows you're wearing it, to be honest. If you have a deeper complexion, you might really enjoy these, and I could see them working much better on you. So food for thought, that's my observation with these. If you were going to choose between the two, I would say go for the hard candy, but do I feel like you need these? You have to have these? No. Let me know what you thought about these body luminizers. Is that a product that you will be trying or not? Would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I want to wish you a wonderful weekend ahead. I look forward to seeing you again next week.